Hello to everyone. My name is Deepa Krishnan and I'm part of the Flipkart Marketplace team and I head the seller experience operations. First of all, I hope that you, your families, your employees and everybody around you is safe and healthy during these difficult times. As you're aware, with the difficult times, in spite of the difficult times, there are more and more customers who have taken to buying their requirements, whether it is essentials or non-essentials, in the online world. So, which means that it creates a lot of opportunity for all of you who are sellers on the platform. And not only that, the festive season is almost here. And I wanted to take the opportunity to help you understand how you can make best use of the festive season. So let's talk about some of the things that you can make use of on the platform. So start with inventory recommendations. Inventory recommendations is something that we have enabled for you as a feature, which gives you a view of what are the products that you need to keep enough stock of, what are the products that you need to invert into your warehouses, that you need to send to Flipkart's warehouses for the festive season or any other time as well. So that is a great feature and I would encourage you to use that on a regular basis. The second thing is regarding the green packaging. Now, green packaging, as you're aware, there are some states like Maharashtra which have already started their efforts in terms of the environment and how they can safeguard the environment. So I would encourage everybody here to buy adequate green packaging and other packaging as well to make sure that you are stocked adequately during the festive season. There are a lot more features that Flipkart has enabled for you in order to make doing business on the platform a lot easier. So to start with, inventory pricing recommendations. Now, pricing recommendations is a tool which helps you understand for the products that you sell, if there are other sellers on Flipkart itself who are selling the same product, what is the kind of competitive pricing that is there? And again, for the same product, how is it being priced on competition? So this tool helps you understand this comparison and helps you make a decision in terms of how you need to price your products. Apart from that, there are other features that we've enabled to make things easier for you. So for example, for Express, now there are a lot of listings I'm sure that you have, which you have enabled for Express, which helps with faster pickups and deliveries to customers. Now this particular feature, you can actually enable it directly yourself on the platform without depending on seller support, which you had to do earlier. So please do make use of this feature to make it easier for you to do business on the platform. So this is just a view of some of the great features and tools that we have for you to do business online. And I wish each and every one of you a great festive season and a very successful festive season. And again, during this period, I wish that you continue to remain safe and that you and your families and employees also continue to remain safe. Thank you very much.
रखो तैयारी जमकर क्योंकि आ रहा है बिग बिलियन डेज जो है बेस्ट से भी बेहतर. Opt in now.